If there is no will, who is the executor? If the deceased did not leave a will behind, then the court will appoint an administrator to act as the executor of their estate. This person is typically a close family member who can demonstrate that they have a right to manage the estate. The administrator must be able to prove that they are a beneficiary of the deceased's estate in order to qualify. The administrator will be responsible for distributing the assets of the estate according to the laws in their jurisdiction. This process can take several months and may require court approval. It is important to remember that if there is no will, then state intestacy laws will decide how the deceased's assets are distributed. Therefore, it is essential that an individual make a will to ensure that the assets are distributed according to their wishes. It is also important for executors and administrators to be aware of potential tax obligations when dealing with a deceased's estate. Depending on the jurisdiction, there may be an inheritance or estate tax that must be paid before assets can be distributed. In addition, any income earned by the estate prior to distribution will be subject to income tax. It is important for executors and administrators to understand the applicable tax laws in order to ensure that all taxes are paid correctly and on time. Executors and administrators should also be aware of their fiduciary responsibility. This means that they must handle the estate in a prudent and responsible manner, putting the interests of the beneficiaries first. Executors and administrators have an important role to play in the administration of a deceased's estate. They must be knowledgeable about the applicable laws and their fiduciary responsibility in order to ensure that all assets are distributed correctly and that any taxes are paid on time. This is why it is so important for individuals to create a will in order to ensure that their estate is managed according to their wishes. To learn more, visit digitalwealthmedia.com. Thanks for watching.